Hi guys, I'm Kaylee Loafman. I'm going to go through a PowerPoint that I did on a lesson plan on friendship and accepting people's differences. So first page is the standards, and I did use music, art, and or stories to express ideas, thoughts, and feelings. Know and use basic elements and principles of music and movement. Use imagination and creativity to perform music and dance, and combine a variety of materials to create a work of art. Beginning of the lesson. At the beginning of the lesson, introduce lessons by asking the students why and how we are all different. Read them the book It's Okay to Be Different by Todd Parr. Have the students point out similarities and differences of each character, and ask the students questions after reading, like what did you like about the book? Why is it okay to be different? And what if we were all different? During the lesson, pair students up with a partner, explain to them that they are going to come up with a movement when the music is playing. Have the students do their movement in front of the class, and the class identifies the differences in each student's moves. Ask questions. We all listen to the same song. Why were everyone's moves different? Continued. Once the movement activity is done, the students will get to create their own self-portrait and put it into our own class It's Okay to Be Different book. Provide students with paper, pen, markers, and crayons, and once the students are done, create the book. After the lesson, gather the students on the rug and go through the class It's Okay to Be Different book. Have the students identify the characteristic about themselves that makes each one of them different. To assess the students, the teacher assesses the students' participation through oral observation whenever the students compare and contrast the dance moves to other students. The teacher assesses students' ability to create their own self-portrait and identify something that makes them different. And thanks for watching.